Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around our lovely 2013 63 plate Hyundai ix35. Now, this vehicle, we had the pleasure of supplying this to the previous keeper. Now, pleasure of selling it once again. This is a really nice example. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. So looking at the bodywork, looking at the alloys, the tyres, everything seems to be spot on. So the front end's in nice order, so it's not riddled with stone chips. We're finished in the lovely gloss white paintwork. We've got lower fog lamps, we've got LED daytime running lights. We're riding on these lovely 17-inch 5 triple spoke alloy wheels, finished in a lovely sort of graphite grey metallic paintwork. Now that's riding on nice tyres. We've got privacy glass to the rear, we've got roof bars coming through to the back. You'll find our rear parking sensors. We've got all the badging to the rear as well. Hyundai ix35 CRDi. So this is the 1.7 diesel engine, which is fantastic on fuel economy. In the back then, we've got a nice amount of luggage space. We've got split folding rear seats. We've got a 12-volt power outlet in the side there. Down there you'll find your full-size space saver spare wheel with all the kit to change it. Again, all the bodywork seems to be in nice order, paintwork's in nice order, and then same goes for the interior. So inside is a half leather and cloth sport seat. So we've got leather on the bolsters, leather on the seat base. Inside it doesn't smell like it's been smoked in. Coming through to the rear seats then, we've got 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3. We've got a central armrest there, which if we pull on the tab will bring out the cup holders. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched, they're in nice order. We've got heated rear seats as well as heated front seats. Jumping inside then, vehicle is supplied with both keys. So we'll start the car up, rumbles into action. And as we're doing the video there today, the vehicle's covered 80,721 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got automatic lights, automatic wipers. We've got our cruise there as well, trip computer, Bluetooth phone. That's all found on the multifunction steering wheel. We've got park folding mirrors. We've got 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. Central locking coming through to the center display. We've got our CD player. You've got your Bluetooth phone, you've got your FM radio there as well, seatbelt warning signs, dual zone climate control, heated front seats. We've got our parking sensors there which you can switch on and off. You've got aux, USB and 2 12-volt power outlets. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. Central armrest is in nice order. But overall, a nice car. Drives absolutely spot on. So my colleague actually spent a couple of days using this vehicle and it drives very, very well. So if you'd like any further information on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching the video and we look forward to your inquiry.